Padayanur Bhagavati Temple, located in Chelakara, Kerala, is a place where religions dwell in harmony with each other. Earlier, a large part of this town was under the Brahmins who had come from Tanjavur. At the center of Padayanur is the Bhagavati Temple that is presided by the main deity Padayanur Bhagavati. It is believed that this deity was the family deity, Paradevada of the erstwhile royal family of Cochin, and was brought by the Maharaja of Cochin himself. Padayanur Bhagavati Temple is believed to be more than 500 years old. In those times, this temple known as Pallipurat Mahavishnu was dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Divine Mother entered this temple in 17th century, and there are synopses to support this. The king of Kochi helped a great deal to develop this temple, and then it was named the Padayanur Bhagavati Temple as it is called now. Both Divine Mother and Lord Vishnu are equally worshipped here in this temple. The premise has a Shiva temple too. The offering of live roosters and feeding them as an act of worship is a ritual, as believed by the worshippers. People believe that these are Divine Mother's favorite. Hence, by this act, their wishes will be fulfilled. People say that when in old times the temple and the area around it was under an attack, Divine Mother appeared in forms of thousands of roosters, assaulting the enemy soldiers with their piercing beaks, knife-like claws and high-pitched sharp sounds, and won a victory over them. So the belief is that the act of offering live roosters to Ma and feeding them would burn the evil and destroy the enemies. Going back to that odd yet kindly and pleasant ritual, something that we don't see around. Many innocent animals and birds are sacrificed in the name of religion, and a visit to such a place were indeed a joy. Adjoining to the Bhagavati temple is the Shiva temple. Padayanur is considered a place of historical importance and is seen in the map of Nannangadis of Kerala. Nannangadis are the tombs of people who lived in the medieval times and are usually depicted in the shape of large pots. Thousands of devotees visit the Mahashetram every year and partake and participate both in person and contributions to carry out the various pujas and offerings to her. Traditionally, the temple celebrates Arattu Niramala, 9 days of Navratri Velakku, which is sponsored in a large way by the local institutions, including the Department of Police, Revenue, etc. The nightly events include classical music by famous musicians, Ottantullal, Kadagali, etc. Niramala is one of the major celebrations that goes on every year in Padayanur. Important festivals Ulsavam and Niramala. Ulsavam 8 days festival is held which begins with Kodiyetam and ends with Arat on Thiruvonam in the month of Malayalam month Meenam, and Niramala is 1 day festival. Navratri also celebrated in grand manner with traditional Keralite arts. Amme Narayana, Devi Narayana, Lakshmi Narayana, Bhadre Narayana.